Looking for the best compact self-leveling laser level for beginners? In this video, we'll review the top 5 easy-to-use laser levels that make home projects and DIY tasks precise and hassle-free. These compact tools are lightweight, accurate, and perfect for beginners who want professional-level results. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started with the video. First product on the list, HGLINE 4D 16 lines laser level. The HGLINE 4D 16 lines laser level is an excellent choice for beginners who want professional level accuracy in a compact tool. It features 16 laser lines with 4D coverage, delivering full horizontal and vertical alignment for precise measurements. The 515 nanometer green laser ensures bright, clear lines that are easy to see in various lighting conditions. This laser level offers plus or minus 1 millimeter accuracy at 7 meters and an automatic leveling range of plus 3 degrees, making setup fast and simple. Beginners will appreciate the remote control and APP functionality, which allow adjustments from up to 25 meters, saving time and effort. Built with IP54 protection, it resists dust and splashes, ensuring durability during use. With a 25-meter working range and an operating temperature of minus 10 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, it is reliable in diverse environments. Compact, user-friendly, and precise, it's ideal for beginners aiming for professional results. Second product on the list, WEIDDW 4D 16 lines laser level. The WEIDDW 4D 16 lines professional laser level is a perfect choice for beginners seeking accuracy and ease of use. This compact tool features 4 360-degree green laser lines, providing complete coverage for both vertical and horizontal alignment. Its 515 nanometer wavelength ensures bright and visible beams, making measurements simple even in well-lit areas. Designed for precision, it offers 1 millimeter accuracy at 7 meters, which is ideal for DIY projects, home renovations, and small-scale construction. Users can switch between self-leveling and manual modes, adding versatility for different tasks. The laser level is powered by two 2400 mAh rechargeable batteries, delivering over 10 hours of continuous use. The USB Type-C charging allows fast, convenient recharging. Additionally, the remote control enables hands-free operation, boosting efficiency. With its durable metallic finish and user-friendly design, it's an excellent tool for beginners looking to achieve professional results. Third product on the list, YEVOLT YVGLL 4x16 laser level. The YEVOLT YVGLL 4x16 laser level is a smart choice for beginners who want professional accuracy and a compact design. This 4D green laser level features 16 laser lines and a 4-plane layout, giving users full horizontal and vertical coverage for easy alignment in any project. With a wavelength of 500 to 540 nanometers, the green laser is bright and clear, making it ideal for indoor use. It offers plus or minus 0.2 millimeters per meter precision, ensuring clean and accurate leveling every time. The plus or minus 4 degrees self-leveling range and quick, less than 4-second leveling time make setup simple even for first-time users. Weighing just 630 grams, it's lightweight and easy to handle. The 30-meter working range and 3000 mAh HGLINE battery deliver consistent performance. Plus, the IP54 dust and splash-proof rating makes it reliable for everyday tasks. Compact, durable, and accurate, this is a great pick for beginners. Fourth product on the list, Hormy HJG01 green laser level. The Hormy HJG01 is a 16-line green laser level perfect for beginners and DIY enthusiasts. With 8 horizontal and 8 vertical lines, it provides full 360-degree coverage for walls, ceilings, and floors, making alignment quick and accurate. Its bright green laser ensures visibility even in well-lit areas. The self-leveling system automatically adjusts within plus or minus 4 degrees, reducing errors and saving time on projects. A 1500 mAh rechargeable battery provides long-lasting power. The touchscreen, remote control, and rotating laser screen make operations simple and convenient. Built with IP54 protection, it is resistant to dust and water. With plus or minus 2 mm precision at 10 meters and a 30-meter working range, the HJG01 is compact, reliable, and easy to use. Fifth product on the list, the Dewalt DW089 LG Laser Level. The Dewalt DW089 LG Laser Level is built for professionals who demand both precision and durability. It features 12 laser lines across 3 sides, providing complete 360-degree vertical and horizontal coverage. This makes it highly versatile for projects that require accurate layout and alignment. One of its strongest points is the green laser technology. The bright green beam is 4 times more visible than traditional red lasers, allowing users to work efficiently in large or well-lit spaces. This ensures accuracy even on demanding job sites. Powering the DW089LG is a 12-volt lithium-ion rechargeable battery. It delivers extended runtime, reducing downtime, and keeping work moving smoothly. Contractors can rely on it for long hours without interruptions. Additionally, the unit is built with Dewalt's rugged housing. It resists dust, water, and tough working conditions. With its durability, visibility, and 360-degree coverage, this laser level is an ideal tool for professional contractors.